my friends and colleagues all over the Rajasthan. I am Dr. Rajeev Bhargava, consultant orthopedic surgeon, Eternal Hospital, Jaipur. Well, in the times of pandemics, it's our endeavor that we enhance our knowledge and skill in the field of medicine. In the same connection, our hospital, Eternal Hospital, along with IMA Rajasthan, is organizing Virtual Medical Education Exchange Conference 2020. And I invite you on the 5th of August between 3:30 and 5 p.m. to kindly attend. Here we will be discussing what are the advances in orthopedic surgeries, what we are able to now do it in our hospital. Then we are also going to discuss about advancement in the rheumatology in the field of biologics. We also have our colleague, plastic surgery colleague, who is going to speak on cosmetic breast surgeries. We have our surgeon colleague Dr. Malik, who is going to speak on rare hernias management. Thank you.